my first trade on Cardano OTC for a downside move. I placed a $500 and trade because the previous candle closed below the zigzag level. The trade started going in our favor, and after a few seconds, I won my first trade. My balance increased to $805. I'll stop here for now. I made $8,793. Hello, what's up guys? Welcome back to another new video. I hope you're all doing well and making profits with the help of our indicator strategies. For those of you who are new here and want to join us, the link is in the description. You can also message me on Telegram at @BBinarySupport, where we provide non-marginate signals. As you can see, I currently have $500 in my account. I received a lot of requests to make a video on the ZigZag indicator, so I'm back with our old indicator, the ZigZag. Today I'll try to do compound trading using this indicator. Let's start the video. First, we'll go to the indicator section and select the ZigZag indicator. I'm using the default settings. Let's find our first trade. I found my first trade on Cardano OTC for a downside move. I placed a $500 and trade because the previous candle closed below the zigzag level. That's why I took this trade expecting a downward move. The trade started going in our favor, and after a few seconds, I won my first trade. My balance increased to $805. Now, let's find a trade for $805 on Facebook OTC. I saw an opportunity for an upside move and placed the trade. We got an entry at the level. And I won the trade. Let's find another trade for $1,296 on Amazon OTC for an upside move. We got the entry at the level, and the previous candle closed above the zigzag line. That's why I entered this trade. After a few seconds, the trade moved in our favor and I won again. Let's find a trade using $2,488 on gold OTC. I found a setup for an upward move and entered the trade. We entered at the level. The trade started out of favor and I won. Let's go for one last trade using $4,677. Again on gold OTC. I saw a setup for a downward move and took the trade because the previous candle had closed below the level. We even got a higher entry, which is a good sign. The trade didn't go our way at first. After a while, I won again. I'll stop here for now. I made $8,793 using the ZigZag indicator, starting with just $500. And I've recovered all my previous losses. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button, subscribe and comment your thoughts below. If you want to join us, the link is in the description. Message me on Telegram at @BBinarySupport to take advantage of the offer. See you in the next video, guys. Goodbye.